Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone. Here is my App Store. Now, in the search bar, type Google Gemini app. Now search. You can see here Google Gemini. Now click on Get button. It will pop up the install button. Tap on it and it will ask for your App Store password. So let's give our App Store password. Given my App Store password, let's sign in. It will take some time. It's done and you can see it's now downloading, or you can say installing. Now you can use the Google Gemini app, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Google Gemini app on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up. I'll be back with more tutorials soon. Thanks for watching.